Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports.
Reigning Caribbean and Jamaica Premier League champions Cavalier FC went down 2-0 to hosts Inter Miami in their first leg match in the round of 16 of the CONCACAF Champions Cup at the Chase Stadium in Miami on Thursday night. Tadeo Allende in the 61st minute and Luis Suarez in the 83rd were the scorers for Inter Miami, who played without the legendary Argentine Lionel Messi. Cavalier had a goal ruled out by VAR on the stroke of half-time. Technical director of Cavalier, Rudolph Speed, reflected on the contest, including the disallowed goal.
Disappointed. That would be the word. I just thought that if there was a million referees in the world, 1,000, just a million less one would have made that call. I just thought that, every other referee would have awarded the goal. They looked like there was a player in a position that could be offside, but he wasn't in the play any at all. So I thought the goal should have stand.
The return leg match will be played next week, Thursday, March 13 at the National Stadium. It is as you were atop the Jamaica Premier League standings after leaders Mount Pleasant FA and Arnett Gardens secured contrasting victories on Thursday. Mount Pleasant eked out a 1-0 win over Waterhouse at Drax Hall to move to 65 points atop the table. Daniel Green got the all-important goal in the first minute of play. Fabian Reid scored a double as second-placed Arnett Gardens hammered Chapelton Maroons 5-0 in the second game of a doubleheader at the Anthony Spaulding Sports Complex. Reid scored in the 81st and 85th minutes. Jaheim Thomas in the 38th and Warner Brown in the 41st were the other scorers for Arnett, who moved to 57 points. Tajay Grant's 51st minute strike was enough to help Racing United secure a 1-0 win over Dunby Holden in the Portmore Derby in the first game of the doubleheader at the venue. Racing remains 7th on 37 points, while Dunby Holden are 9th on 32 points. Elsewhere on the day, third place the Montego Bay United clipped Harbourview 1-0 at the Montego Bay Sports Complex to move to 53 points. Jamaica's Sunshine Girls have tightened their grip on third place in the latest World Netball Rankings. The Sunshine Girls have gained 3 rating points following their recent 3-0 sweep of South Africa in the inaugural Margaret Beckford Sunshine Series, moving to 192 points. They are now 7 points clear of fourth-placed England and just 3 behind second-placed New Zealand and 12 adrift of world number 1 Australia. Jamaica Scorpions bowlers have toiled without much success on day 3 of their regional 4-day match against the defending champions Guyana Harpy Eagles at Sabina Park. The Harpy Eagles have carried on to 123 for 2 after resuming on 68 for 1. They lead by a massive 418 runs. Tejaran Chandapal is 63 not out after resuming on his overnight 37, and with him at the crease is Kevlin Anderson on 16. Tevin Imlak is the wicket to fall this morning for 31. Brad Barnes and Dean Smith have taken the 2 wickets to fall so far. The Scorpions were bowled out for just 44, replying to the Harpy Eagles' first innings 339 on Thursday. And that is it for your Midday Sports Roundup, and I am Jermaine Brown.
Thanks, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Carrie-Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.